When it comes to office printers, the best ones are the ones that go unnoticed. No problems, no added service costs, no unsatisfied customers. That's why HP is so excited to introduce the powerful new technology that will remarkably reduce downtime and service costs, while dramatically improving first-time fix rates, customer satisfaction, and profitability. We call it Smart Device Services, and here's how it's going to change the way you work. SDS integrates into the partner's current ecosystem and multi-vendor toolsets. No new hardware or software to buy or install, no additional training costs or costly IT investment. Your existing tools will now just work better with HP. Before SDS, if your customer's device wouldn't scan, your help desk would get a frantic call. If they couldn't diagnose the problem, you'd have to incur the cost of dispatching a tech, while the customer lost hours of productivity. Often, you're paying for the tech's travel time and labor for a simple system reboot. But with SDS, that scenario plays out much differently. The help desk now has detailed HP device information and control at their fingertips, from device history to maintenance, service recommendations, and more. With SDS-powered tools at the ready, you can take steps to solve the problem before it becomes one. In this case, the device is remotely rebooted right away, saving you time, money, and frustration for your customer. A persistent printer jam will no doubt result in a disgruntled phone call from a customer. Before SDS, the help desk wouldn't have much detailed insight into the cause of the jam. If a technician is dispatched to the customer site who might not be familiar with that particular device model or the cause of the problem, it could mean a lengthy service visit in front of the customer, not exactly instilling confidence in the level of service. Not a problem with SDS. Now, the help desk has a full service and maintenance history to help rule out common causes and pinpoint the issue, as well as complete transparency into the necessary repairs and required parts. With this level of information accuracy, this partner just saved hundreds of dollars in wasted service visits, unnecessary part replacement, and prolonged customer downtime. Now the help desk can proactively dispatch the closest service technician, verifying they have the right parts to solve the problem. The techs now have everything they need. They can even watch a tutorial video before walking through the door. Now they feel confident that they're arriving with the necessary information and equipment to get the job done right the first time. Before SDS, printers running low on toner would signal a need for attention, and well-meaning office workers would replace the cartridge even though plenty of toner was left. A major money waster for you, and good luck tracking and preventing that loss. Now you have the ability to turn off low supply messages that may trigger an immediate and wasteful cartridge replacement by the customer. And if a customer does replace the toner early, you'll receive an alert. Plus, you'll be able to run reports on all early cartridge replacements and make the appropriate billing adjustments. Maintaining accurate click counts are a critical part of any managed print services agreement. Unfortunately, when the DCA connection to those devices gets lost, for example, a configuration gets changed or a printer gets moved, it can result in lost clicks and lost revenue. Before SDS, solving a problem like this meant making an uncomfortable call to a client for help locating the lost devices. Most of the time, this frustrates the client, who has to stop what she's doing to help your billing problem. You may even resort to sending someone out, just to locate and connect the device again. But with SDS, you now have a more reliable connection to your HP devices. If a customer moves or changes an IP address, HP's device discovery technology will find the device again to maintain that critical connection to your billing system. SDS can also track local device connections, as well as ensure that every device under contract, even if it is connected directly to a PC via a USB cable, can be reliably tracked remotely. No more hassles of lost devices or lost clicks means better service for them and more margin for you. We share your passion for creating meaningful and lasting relationships with customers. It's why we're innovating to help lower your service costs, deliver maximum device uptime, and help grow your margins. HP is an IT leader who can provide reliable and innovative technologies to compete and help grow your business. And SDS, with its breakthrough tool integration, smart technology, and diagnostic capabilities, is the future of service. And we can't wait to share it with you.